Hello, Namaskara, and welcome back to the channel. If there's one thing that defines the winter season in Karnataka, it's the aroma of fresh Avarekai. Today, we are making something incredibly special and nostalgic, the authentic Iyengari bakery style Avarebele mixture. This snack is perfect balance of crunch and spice, making it ultimate companion for your tea time evening snacks. Let's dive into the delicious recipe and see how to get that perfect bakery style crunch at your home. Let's see how to make this perfect Iyengari style avare bele mixture. For our mixture today, we need these ingredients. Just take a screenshot of it. First, we need fresh Avarebele. These have been soaked overnight, peeled and air dried for nearly 1 hour. Always use fresh beans for that signature buttery taste. This is the Avarekai. Look, we need to soak it and peel that shell. And now this is known as the Avarebele. I am taking a whole 1 kg of this Avarebele, and here comes the soaked gram dal, which is soaked for about 3 to 4 hours. And now the gram dal should be soaked nice and good. So I have taken just a 1 cup of it, and this is the fried gram, nearly 1 cup. And the same thing, I'm using 1 cup of peanuts, salt to taste, and this is the asafoetida or the hing, very crucial part, and the black salt nearly quarter teaspoon, and red chili powder 1 tablespoon. That's it, more than enough. And nearly 4 to 5 sprigs of curry leaves for that beautiful aroma and taste. That's it, these are the ingredients required. Now let's see how to fry them. Now see, the secret to a perfect mixture lies in the temperature of the oil. It must be very hot. Using a wire mesh strainer like this is a great tip. It allows you to fry and remove the ingredients quickly before they overcook or change color too much. Now add that mesh into the oil. First, let's fry the peanuts until they turn golden and crisp. Remember the carry over cooking rule. Remove them one shade lighter than your desired color as they continue to cook in their own heat. Now look, the peanuts are perfectly done. Let's take them out in a bowl. In the similar way, next we will flash fry the fried gram for about 30 to 40 seconds, not more than that. Just look how the fried gram pop up so early. So now they are also floating on the top. It means it's perfectly done. Let's take them out and we'll add that into the same bowl. And after that, we're going to cook or fry our gram dal, which are soaked. But make sure you are have a safe distance while doing this, because it will bubble up so much, so the steam may hit your hand. So keep that in mind. And now look, even it took me around 3 to 4 minutes to cook, and it's already floating on the top. That's the indication that it's been perfectly crispified. You can hear the sound also. So to reach this level of crispiness, it will take 3 to 4 minutes to cook. Now take them in the same bowl, and now I'll show you a proper technique to cook this Avarebele. So in the same hot oil, I'm going to add 1 ladle full of this Avarebele, keeping a safe distance. Look at that, how the oil bubbles up immediately, because there is a lot of moisture present in the Avarebele. So you need to keep a safe distance. So the trick is here to, you need to cook it for around 3 to 4 minutes on a medium to high flame. So now look, all the moisture will go away and the beans will float on the top. That is the indication that these Avarebele are perfectly fried and it's perfectly crispy. Just hear the sound of it. It shows that how crispy it has been become. To cook till now, it took me nearly 4 to 5 minutes each batch. Similarly, we'll cook everything So we'll repeat the same process until we cook everything like this. Now it's perfectly done. Now let's take these also in the same bowl. Now I'll repeat the same process and complete all these batches. Now let's talk about the aroma. In this step, I am now showing you some curry leaves, and for flavoring typical, if you want ultimate punch, you can use some garlic. However, in a typical authentic Iyengari bakery style mixture, garlic is skipped in favor of asafoetida. I am showing you the both option. If you love garlic, fry it now until crisp. But for the true bakery version, true Iyengari style, you should not use the garlic. And hing we are added for our spice mix. Now let's fry this curry leaves and just take out the sprigs out of it. And now let's do the final spice mix. While the ingredients are still warm, it's time to season. The warmth help the spices adhere better. To keep it authentic, we are only going to mix in the red chili powder, regular salt, and the new addition black salt. Just a quarter teaspoon of it, it's more than enough.
If you didn't add the garlic at this time, you need to add the asafoetida or the hing, nearly quarter spoon of it.
Don't be tempted to add garam masala or chat masala to this. The natural flavor of the avarebele is the top hero here. Give it a good toss until everything is eventually evenly coated. That's very important. That's make sure you don't add anything extra to this. Just give it a nice mix. And now look at that color, the texture, and my god, the smell is too good. And there you have it. Our Iyengari bakery style Avarebele mixture is ready. Look at that vibrant color and listen to the crunch. It's a simple process that yields a snack for better than anything store bought. Pack it in an airtight container and it will stay fresh for weeks. Though I doubt it will last that long. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. I'll be back next time. Till then, this is Deepak Kshatriya signing off on Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaskara. See you soon.